Hello everyone, so today we are going to see how to use turmeric on face for getting a glowing skin or to reduce hyperpigmentation or to reduce any acne marks or acne spots. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Why we use turmeric for beauty? Because turmeric contains antioxidants which leads to slow down cell damage and even regenerates damaged cell, leading to youthful looking or naturally glowing skin. And the anti-inflammatory properties in turmeric decreases the inflammation in the skin and helps in fixing up dry skin, control eczema, and calms your skin and helps in clearing the acne scars. So it's no wonder that this turmeric is used as beauty routine. So now we have gotten that the science out of the way. So here I am going to say how to use the turmeric in your kitchen cabinet in your skincare routine. Let's get glowy. So you will need 1 tablespoon of turmeric, then 1 tablespoon of flour, any flour you could take, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. If you don't have any yogurt, then you could go for milk. And the last ingredient is half a teaspoon of honey. Then mix all the ingredient into a paste, apply a thin layer onto your face and let it dry for 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask, apply your favorite moisturizer and enjoy glowing skin with zero highlighter needed. And things to be noted is that turmeric is a deep yellow spice which may slightly stain your face. So I would recommend you to use this mask sometimes when you have no social obligations. As long as you apply a thin layer, you can wash your face again with your favorite face wash and any yellow stains should wash away. So that's our first DIY. So our second DIY is simple yet very effective because it takes the powerful ingredients. So all you need to take is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and again 1 teaspoon of multani mitti. Why multani mitti? Because multani mitti or fuller's earth adds natural oil to your skin, nourishing it from within and making it glow naturally. So how to make this face mask? To prepare this face pack, mix yogurt, fuller earth or multani mitti and a pinch of turmeric, and if you want you could even add milk instead of yogurt. Then this haldi face pack or this turmeric face pack can do wonders for various skin conditions. So mix it well to form a paste and then apply all over your face, then keep it for 15 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. Apply this face mask once a week and you'll be shocked to see the result. So why I have chosen particularly this ingredient for a face mask? Because time has again proven that turmeric is said to be one of the nature's boons. It is not just a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties, but it is also beneficial for skin in many ways. And it helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, improving your skin complexion and rejuvenating the dull looking skin. Achieving glowing skin is not easy. Remember that a proper skincare regimen must be followed in order to get that fresh and radiant looking skin. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this remedy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down your skin concern and keep watching my video. Until then, bye bye.